Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Indra Sen. I'm going to start a course on node.js API development. So in this course, we're going to learn about how we can create an API using node.js. We'll also learn various concepts of node.js. We'll also know about Express framework, and we'll also understand how we can use MongoDB to store the data. Now, talking about the course overview. So, this course is completely designed for beginner. So, in this course, we're gonna talk about REST API. We'll understand various API methods. Then we'll also learn about Express.js framework. We'll also use MongoDB to store the data, and we'll create various API endpoint that we're gonna utilize in the live e-commerce project that we will create during this course, and we'll also deploy our project on AWS live server. Now, talking about prerequisites, so as this course is completely designed for beginners, so the prerequisite is you'll need to have a very basic knowledge of JavaScript, and in this course we'll need node.js installed on our system. So I will post another video on how you can install node.js on your system. Then we'll also need express.js framework, so we'll install express.js as a dependency in our project. Then we will need MongoDB, so we'll create an free account on MongoDB official website. Then we will use that database to perform certain operation like storing the data or updating the data. Then we will need a Mongoose JavaScript library that will help us to connect with MongoDB and provide ready to use function to perform certain operations like insert, update or delete. So I will install Mongoose as a dependency in our project. Then we'll need a Visual Studio code editor. So if you will be having a different code editor, then you can use that one. But in during this course, I will be using Visual Studio code editor. Then talking about the course outcome. So after completion of this course, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of how you can create an API using Node.js, and you'll also understand how you can create a live project. And I'm really excited to have all of you in this course, and after completion of this course you will really get good knowledge of node.js. You'll also get an experience about how you can create an API endpoint into node.js using express framework. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will really excited to meet all of you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.